Hey everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys, and today's video is going to be an unboxing and review of PressPlay's NERO battery case for iPhone 10 and 10s. I'm sure this would say 10s with newer packaging, but I purchased this before the 10s came out. It says it adds 100% additional battery life. This is a 4200 milliamp hour battery. Now, those of you who are speckies will know that that's not the internal battery of this phone. On the side, it tells you it's low profile, it got impact protection. It also supports Qi charging through the case, so in here is a receiver that goes down and plugs into the phone. And then you open it, gives you a bit more information. You can see the case itself looks really nice. So let's pop the top and get in. Get a little bit of literature, some liability information. You can register your case for a 1-year warranty. I've already done that. And then you get a user manual. It tells you how to put your phone in and everything, and all the fun stuff that you don't need because I'm about to show you. It also comes with a USB-A to micro USB-B cable to charge that up. But here's the case shucked from its plastic. You see here this little thing for the Qi receiver. Back of the phone is nice and smooth. Yours probably won't have these little smudges and scratches when you get it, but I've been using this for the past 2 weeks, and that kind of happens with life. Down here you get these little cutouts, and these will direct your speakers towards you. You have your lightning connector. This right here has all like the information to register your thing, but I taking it in and out of the case, it smudged away very quickly. So if you want to register for that warranty, I suggest you do it right out of the box when you get it. And then to open it so you can put your phone inside the case, you just take this little top piece off, take your phone, slide it in, push it all the way down, and then put it back on top. You've got a cutout for your mute switch, your volume buttons right here, and then your power button right here, and of course you have your camera cutout. And then down here, I would imagine it's supposed to be this right here is the button, but it's also this, and it's also all the way up here and a little bit down here. So this is just a giant button under here. You don't have to press this in particular, you can just press anywhere. And then to turn it on, you just press and hold, and it starts charging. And then to turn it off, press and hold again, stops charging. Now, as I previously mentioned, this does charge with micro USB, and it is on the bottom, and it is in a very interesting place. We'll go with interesting. It's not immediately in the middle, it's kind of off to the side, so if you hold your phone like this, you might get in the way. You could just hold it with the other hand while you're charging it. So really the wired charging is my only problem with this case, because 1, it uses micro USB, and 2, it's not in the center, so it's just kind of weird. You get used to it after a while, but it's just kind of weird for the first couple days. And like I said, I've been using this for about 2 weeks now. So for the review part of this video, I love this case. Now, if you've watched me at all, or if you've watched this channel at all, maybe once or twice, you'll know that I use a bunch of different battery cases for a bunch of different phones, and the iPhone 10 is absolutely no exception. And I say the same thing that I always say in all those other videos. I'm the kind of guy that will use his phone constantly, kill the battery constantly, and to have that much extra juice just on the back of the phone is a lifesaver most of the time. I can't really live without it. It's like I have other cases that are not battery cases for pretty much every phone that I've ever used. I don't use those cases because they don't have batteries in them. And this case is no exception. I love it, use it every day, all day. I don't use this as frequently as I did with other cases before, because this is a new phone pretty much, and battery health isn't trash like my 6 was, because with my 6, I'd pop in my AirPods, I'd listen to some music on the bus into school, and I'd be listening to music strictly, like that's it. I'd pop in my AirPods, I'd play the song, and my phone would go in my pocket, and by the time I get to school, which is like a 30-minute bus ride, I'd be at 50% battery. I don't use this case as much as I use the cases for my 6, but when I do need this case, it's always nice to have it. It's always nice to be there without having to plug in. I will admit that my usage of this case has been less than other cases in my 2-week trial period, but the amount of times that I've used it and when I've used it, it's been incredible. So if you have a 10 or a 10S, I would definitely recommend grabbing this. If you're like me, you use your phone a lot, maybe it's for work, or maybe you're just someone that sits in the back of class playing games all the time. That's not me. I would pick this up. It's great, gives you a bunch of extra battery life, and then if you need to, you can just pop it on a wireless charger and it'll start charging. See? Magic. You don't even have to use the horribly placed micro USB charger. So there you guys have it. That's my unboxing and review of PressPlay's NERO battery case for iPhone 10. I'll have it linked down in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, as well as turning on notifications so that way you get notified when I upload another video. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys, and until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.